Welcome back to Joy Tutorials. Previous we discussed class 5 lesson 1 living things. Okay, what are living things? Living things are which can grow, move, reproduce. These are called living things. These living things can also feel like anger, happy, sadness, and they can grow after long time. Okay, these are called living things. These living things common features are first one is living things need to move on their own. Living things move on their own. Living things move on their own. Do you know, children? Living things like animals, first we can see what are the examples of living things? Human beings, plants, animals. Okay, animals first we will discuss. Animals move from one place to another to search of food, shelter, to escape from enemies, to improve their reproduction. That's why move from one place to another place animals. But plants can't move one place to another place. It shows some movements. Okay, plants, some animals like barnacles. These are can't move. Corals. These are fixed in one place to one place. Shows some finger like movements. Okay, these barnacles are crustaceans. These are crustaceans like crab, prawns. These are the crustaceans group. Same characteristics they kept in one group, that are the crustaceans group. These barnacles are the filter feeders. It takes the food particles and strains water outside. Okay, barnacles. Corals, the showing the finger like projections, movements. Okay, we are seeing so many colorful corals in marine ecosystem. Okay, marine, these are the marine species, barnacles and corals. These are fixed in one place. Understood? These are the animals, and plants not move one place to another place. Plants they can prepare their own food. Okay, that's why plants no need to move from one place to another place. So this is about living things move on their own. Non-living things can't move. Second one, living things need air, water, food. Need air, water, food. Living things needs air, water and food. If living things, what's the example of living things? Plants, animals, human beings. Okay, living things not taken air, water, food, they can die. Okay, understood, children? Here living things, so animals search of food. Okay, one place to another place. But plants can't move. They can prepare. They are autotrophs. Plants are autotrophs. Okay, they are prepared food in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Here, green colored substance, it contains chlorophyll. In the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, to take carbon dioxide and water. To prepare food. This food is stored in the form of fruits, leaves, stems. Okay, this food is stored in the form of fruits, leaves, vegetables, roots, root part, stem part, etc. Okay, that food is we are taken. We are not prepared. Why? Because we are also absent chlorophyll. Animals also absent chlorophyll. We are depend upon others. Okay, some of the animals like herbivores. Herbivores. eaten plants. Herbivores eaten plants. Next, some of the animals eat other animals. They are called carnivores. They are called carnivores. What is the example of herbivore? Deer, goat, sheep. What is the example of carnivores? Tiger, lion, cheetah. These are the examples of carnivores. Herbivores example: deer, lion, goat, sheep, cow, etc. Okay. So here animals also depend upon others for their food. Okay. Plants are autotrophs. They can prepare their own. Human beings also depend upon others. Okay. We are also depend upon others for our food. We need air, water and food. We can't take air, water, food. We can die. Okay. Third one is living things made up of cell. Living things made up of cell. Do you know, children, in our body made up of billions of cells. In every organism made up of cells. Cell is the small tiny part. Cell. Okay. Cell have so many parts. In this cell having nucleus, cytoplasm, cell wall, cell membrane, mitochondria, lysosomes, ribosomes, so many organelles are there. Cell, small part. We can't see cell, but we can see with the help of microscope. Understand, children? Okay, our body is made up of cell. So many cells, millions of cells are there in our body. That's why some of the cells forms organ systems. Okay, we are having respiratory organ system for respiration, circulatory organ system for circulation. Okay, like that. Excretory organ system for excretion, etc. But some of the organisms like amoeba, do you know, children? Amoeba, single cell. Amoeba, this is single cell, can perform all the functions. Single cell can perform all